All these years that lawyers are very brilliant people, and they know how to correct issues, how to handle issues of performance without getting into insulting, mentioning the genitalia of a woman. How come now we are descending to that? And even, how do you even drag the entire Karamoja over this matter? If the intention was good. So we are here to condemn, and I want to speak not only on my behalf, but on behalf of all the other women in Karamoja. Those who have dared to study, those who have dared to break all odds, to break the ceiling, to ascend to a position, a small position like the one of ODPP. I'm here to condemn that, those statements, and to demand an immediate and public apology from the person of the president of the Uganda Law Society. If we must still regard that profession, an apology is required, and it must come immediately. I want to tell you, for a girl like Jane Francis Abodo to rise up from Karamoja to a position of a DPP, it is not easy. She has gone through a lot. You cannot begin to ridicule her after all that struggle she has had to arrive at that position. It has nothing to do with godparenthood or knowing anyone. We know no one. It is a merited position which is competed for nationally. That office has had several DPPs previously before Abodo. The attack on the person of Abodo and referring it to Karamoja women is unacceptable.
But look here, this gentleman called Isaac Sekamate, as whatever. Idiot. He has insulted even the lawyers who put trust in him, that this is the best out of those who had shown interest for the position of the President of Uganda Law Society, Mr. Sekamade, whatever. He's a madman, of course. They gave him trust. They gave him the votes. By giving him the votes, they were saying this is the best out of all that had expressed interest to stand as president, Uganda Law Society. Here we are. In less than 6 months, the man has betrayed even the people who voted him, the lawyers in Uganda.
Of all the Karamojong ladies. But the derogatory word, the vulgar word that has been mentioned against her and then against the Karamojong is something surprising to the whole of Karamoja. Now, what do they say? It has been mentioned by somebody in the capacities of the president. And they are asking, is this word legal or it is illegal? Certainly this is illegal. And what they say about Semakade, everyone is saying this is madness.